Days after ceasefire between Iran and Israel, a video is going viral on social media and it is impressing a lot of people. In the video, we can see Israeli Air Force showing its military power in a dramatic airstrike. According to reports, that particular video is of Israeli fighter jets that are destroying two Iranian F-34 jets that were preparing to launch drones towards Israel. Well, the attack happened just in time, stopping a planned UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle strike that could have caused major damage inside Israel. Well, the incident was a part of the major fight between Israel and Iran, as both countries continue to exchange attacks in the region for at least 12 days. Israel made it very clear that it won't allow Iran to use drones or fighter jets to threaten its security. Well, the Israeli Air Force used advanced F-35I stealth fighter jets in this particular mission, which easily invaded Iranian radar and struck the targets with precision-guided bombs. There are also reports that suggested that the Iranian F-34 jets were stationed at an airbase where drone launch operations were being prepared. In the meantime, Israeli surveillance detected this activity early, and within minutes, Israeli jets were airborne to neutralize the threat. Videos released by Israeli defense officials showed the fierce explosion as the Iranian jets were hit. Israel claims that by destroying these aircrafts, it not only stopped the drone attack but also sent a strong warning to Iran that any aggression will be met with immediate and powerful retaliation. Military experts are now saying that drone warfare has become a major part of modern conflicts between these two nations. In the past few months, Israel has regularly targeted weapons convoy, air bases and military launch sites that it claims are used by Iran or its allied militant groups like Hezbollah. The Israeli defense minister also warned about these strikes. He said that any threat from the Iranian skies will be answered with 10 times more firepower. In the meantime, Iran has condemned the attack, calling it a violation of its sovereignty, but they have not yet confirmed the loss of its jets. However, resources from the region suggest that Iran is now increasing its air defenses just to protect itself from any possible threat.